Are you tired of the daily grind and dreaming of a job that lets you work from the comfort of your own home? Well, let me share something exciting with you. If you're looking for home-based online jobs, you should definitely check out www.homebasework.net. This site is a treasure trove of opportunities that cater to a variety of skills and interests. Imagine being able to choose from a wide range of work-from-home jobs that fit your lifestyle. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, or someone who enjoys data entry, there's something for everyone. The beauty of remote work is that you can do it from anywhere, your couch, a cozy coffee shop, or even while traveling. What's great about home-based work.net is how user-friendly it is. You can easily navigate through different categories, making it simple to find the type of work that suits you best. Plus, the site is updated regularly, so you'll always find fresh listings. This means you can apply for jobs that are not only interesting but also relevant to your skills. And let's talk flexibility. One of the biggest perks of working from home is the ability to set your own schedule. You can work during the hours that suit you, whether you're an early bird or a night owl. This flexibility allows you to balance your work with personal commitments, making it easier to manage your time effectively. Another aspect to consider is the potential for growth. Many of the jobs listed on home-based work.net offer opportunities for advancement. You can start with a simple task and, as you gain experience, move on to more complex projects that can enhance your resume and skill set. Networking is also a key benefit of working online. You'll connect with other professionals in your field, which can lead to collaborations and new job opportunities. Building relationships in the digital workspace can be just as valuable as in-person networking. Lastly, let's not forget about the financial aspect. Working from home can save you money on commuting, meals, and work attire. Plus, many online jobs offer competitive pay, allowing you to earn a decent income without the overhead costs of a traditional office job. So, if you're ready to take control of your career and explore the world of remote work, head over to www.homebasework.net. Dive into the possibilities that await you and start your journey toward a more flexible and fulfilling work life. You won't regret it.